2006 Toyota Corolla, the same 2003, 2008. We're gonna be replacing the radiator here and the transmission cooler line. These ones here, they are rusty. They pass beneath the radiator right there. And this will also apply for Toyota Matrix 2003, 2008. I'm not sure if it's the same for Pontiac Vibe 2003, 2008. You should check that out. But they have the same engine, so let's see. One, two 12mm bolt. Make sure you have a bucket on the floor to catch the antifreeze. $10mm bolt. That's the lower radiator hose right there. I'm gonna be replacing these two hoses. These two pipes here. As you can see, they are so rusty, they are leaking already. Transmission fluid. These ones on this side are the same, but these ones are staying because those are good. And also the radiator is leaking here too from the bottom, so that's why it's been replaced too. Now those clamps are going to be replaced. They are not good anymore. Alright, update here. The head of this bolt here, this bolt are grabbing these pipes here. The head of the bolt has been eaten by the rust. You cannot grab them with any socket. So I'm gonna be leaving them here, and I'm gonna put the new ones here, and I'm gonna use zip tie to hold them here, so nothing will happen. Now I forgot to mention, have a bucket on the floor right there for the oil that is gonna come out from here, transmission fluid from here, and from the other one right there too. And on this side I have another bucket for the antifreeze. This is the lower radiator hose, but I take it out from here from the top, so you don't have to be lifting up the vehicle or anything like that. See how the transmission line is messed up right there? And the radiator is ready to come out, so I'm gonna take it out right now. That's the radiator right there, as you can see, and I take out the hose from the top and not from the bottom. So you don't have to lift up the engine either to do the transmission lines that I'm doing right now. You can take them out without lifting up the car. All you gotta do is take out the radiator fence, and then you have all the space. The new transmission lines here. Alright, here is the new radiator, as you can see, and this is a new lower radiator hose. It was not leaking, but I decided to replace it. So let's see. Make sure the grommets are inside there already. The grommets where these plastic pins go. Alright, right there, it's sitting on the grommets already. I already put a 10mm bolt here for the radiator fan, one here and another one on the other side. Alright, I'm gonna fill it up here, and I have to take all the air out of the cooling system. That would take about 30 minutes at least. Also, don't forget, if some transmission fluid came out, you have to replace it too. Always check the fluid level right there. In this case, nothing leaked, and the transmission level fluid is good, so I don't have to worry about that. So much air inside the cooling system. That's why it's very important to bleed out all the air out of the cooling system. As I said, it takes about 30 minutes, maybe more than that. Do not leave the air in the cooling system. It's gonna cause so much damage to the engine. Cannot be showing this anymore because it's raining hard over here already. And when you do this kind of jobs, what you do is you have to wait for the thermostat to open to make sure everything is fine. And always keep an eye on the temperature gauge inside the vehicle too, just in case. Especially at the beginning, just because of the air, all the air that goes inside the cooling system and the engine, hoses, radiator, water pump and everything. So always make sure you do all those things. This is the information for the radiator here. The air is almost gone already. After some time here, about 30 minutes probably. You gotta take your time to do this. As you can see, not too much air comes out. I'm gonna wait about 5 more minutes and that should be it. Thanks for watching this video and God bless you all.